Hey guys, welcome to Electrical's Top Tips. Today we're talking about heat pumps. I've got Edwin, he's one of my top heat pump installers. He's been working for us for a number of years. We're just going to go over the basics of how a heat pump works. What is a heat pump and how does it work?
There are two components of heat pump, the indoor and the outdoor unit. So when you're using the air conditioner, it extracts the heat from the room and bring it out through a motor outside or a compressor. The compressor pushes the gas in and sucks the heat and bring it outside. There's a fan underneath. As the warm air passes through the fins, it's being cooled down and then blow it out, cold air already. And then the warm air is being taken out through these pipes, out through the copper pipe
the outside.
and take it outside.
The drain pops down
Hose.
and then it either goes outside or goes down through the wall. That's the basics of an air conditioner, how it works. Follow us, we're going to go over a few more topics and talk about how you can service them or what you need to do to service them. Give us a ring, 0800 233 532. We're always here to help.